Good evening, friends. Today I am going to analyze one more lucky palm. This is a person from foreign country and his age is near about 54 years. And he has a few questions like does he have a yoga in lottery in his hand, and what his financial condition shows in future. So we will start the analysis and look what his hand says. It's a beautiful pink colored palm and it shows growth, success in life, and it's a square hand. Square hand people grows gradually as the age grows, as the time period grows. uh, they get success, they get abundance in their life. There is a beautiful M symbol in his hand. This M symbol shows a beautiful mind line, a beautiful fate line, and lifeline and heart line. Now, what happens? This mind line shows that it is coming from here till here. This shows that the person is utilizing his brain to the fullest and creating his fate, making his life easy, and giving his heart a satisfaction. See, as we can see, the mind line is going from here to here. This shows that a person has a creative mind, he has talent, he has skills, and he loves to utilize his brain. He can't, these kind of people can't sit idle. They always think, what should I do better to get a better lifestyle? What should I do to improve my life? They have a huge level of creativity. They have a huge creative mind. Analytical power is good, logic reasonings are good, and they have a brain of exploration. They like to explore. Now we see that, see this one, both the lines are joined. Lifeline and the mind line are joined to the extent. These type of persons care for family a lot, especially sometimes they are very close to their mother, and this line is coming here. And see, when we see the lifeline is going from here to here. Let me take another picture. See, here the lifeline is showing some kind of disturbances around the age of 30 to 40. It is showing some kind of disturbances in life, some kind of struggles in life, family problems. These kind of things can be seen. And but as the age grows, gradually the things are getting better. See, the lifeline is getting better day by day, we can see. And as his age is around 54, we can see some more improvements in his life after that time period. As he will grow old, the things will start getting better day by day, year by year. Now we see that when we come to fate line, we can see fate line is adjoining this lifeline. It is showing that the person is getting the support of lifeline, and it is giving luck. As I say that the person will grow as the age will grow. As he will grow older, the things will get better day by day. And now we see some more income, some kind of income from female support. You can say he can get a female support in his life, income from that. Also he can get some income from foreign countries, also some kind of online income can also be seen. These kind of things. His moon is also very good in condition, which we will discuss later when we come to the mounts. Now when we go to the fate line, we see there are some breaks. See, some struggle can be seen in 20s, and in around 35 to 38 some struggle is seen, financial struggle. When we go to this around 42, there was a huge expense. Around 47 it was a huge expense. 47 to 49 huge expense can be seen. Now when we go to this line, we can see we can see agar if we see this kind of fate line, we can see these kind of fate line are showing some kind of benefit. And his question was related to lottery, whether he can win a lottery and in which age he will win the lottery. I see that he can win a lottery around 55, 56 he can win a lottery, some kind of benefits can be seen. And around 63 to 65 there is a huge gain in his life, we can see this. So his hand is showing some kind of benefits from lottery. And as I told that there is a huge income gain in this time period. So we can say 55, 56 and 57, these are the years of huge gain in his life, monetary gains can be seen. And 63, 65, these are the years of gain in his life. Now when we move more forward, we see that his palm is pinkish in color. You can see pinkish in color, that it shows growth and good period in life. So as we just saw a huge benefits in his life, a good time period coming in his life. Now when we come to his mind line, we can see some kind of disturbances in his 30s. But when we go after 54, we see a relaxing life. This mind line is very smooth, light, that the person is getting mental peace, the person is getting satisfaction in his life. And now when we see heart line, see, it is foam. The person is very helpful in nature. The person likes to help people. The person is caring, loving, affectionate, we can see. Now when we come to his, see this, a pocket of money, it's a very good indication. A triangle, beautiful triangle is coming. A pocket of money can be seen. He will be having a good amount of money in his old age. Now when we see this, that money triangle can be seen. A good bank balance can also be there in his life. And some kind of I can say, see, stomach related issues are seen. Cold, cough or stomach related issues are seen. Little things can be seen. So he should be careful about his health. Now when we come to see, there is a early age struggle in his life around the 20s and 30s, but afterwards the life is becoming comfortable. Now when we come to his fingers, we see the finger is inclined there to the left side. This Jupiter finger is inclined to the inner side of the hand, to the left side of the hand. It shows religious mindedness. It shows that the person has a courtesy, a beautiful heart, and the person is behaves like a team leader. He likes to help people. He gives good advices. As we can see, there is a good Mercury mount, and this is also supporting. He likes to give good advices. His advices are very good. And now when we see, compare the two fingers, Sun finger and the Jupiter finger, we see that the Jupiter finger is little taller than the Sun finger. These kind of persons have a leadership quality. They like whatever task they take in their hand, they complete that task. They don't like to linger on with the things. Now when we compare these both fingers, this is not coming to the first phalange of the Sun finger. This small finger is not coming till the first phalange of the small Sun finger. So some kind of the people take advantage of you. We can see this, we can say this. These type of people are sometimes taken for granted. And now when we see there is a huge gap between these two fingers, it means that the person has independent thought, the person likes to work independently, has a different kind of setup, different kind of mindset from his family. Because there is a good mind line, he likes to think differently from his family. And there is a little hole here, and we can see there is a hole, there is a gap between these two fingers. These kind of persons love to shop. They are shopaholic type people. Now we come to fingerprints. Let us see what his fingerprints say. See, now when we come to Jupiter finger, we see a beautiful chakra, a clockwise chakra is there, which says about the growth and success in life. These people have a huge knowledge. They like to learn a lot. They think that I should learn many things in my life. I should learn that. I should learn this. They have this kind of a tendency. They are very curious to learn each and everything in their life. And see, his fingers are little pointed. These fingers are very pointed. They are some kind of artistic people also, and they like to do each and everything very in a very organized manner also. Now when we come to the Saturn finger, we see a beautiful chakra. Beautiful chakra is there. This kind of chakra shows on a Saturn finger that the person learns from his mistake. Whatever problems come in his life, he loves to go through them. He does not get panic. He likes that, no, I will do, I will prove myself, I will learn lessons from this, I am not going to escape from these kind of problems. These are just a minute problems, but I will tackle up them. These kind of persons have this type of tendency, which is very good. They have a very good confidence level. Now when we come to Sun finger, again we see there is a chakra, this kind of a long chakra we see. When we see these kind of chakra on Sun finger, this shows some kind of ups and downs in life, and it is anti-clockwise. So we can say that sometimes he has a very good amount of money in his hand, sometimes there are some problems but he faces, but he knows from when how to deal with these problems. When I get stuck, how to get myself get a confidence again and go through the process. How should I start again in my life? These persons, they never like to escape from the things. They know how to defeat the persons in front, how to tackle the persons in front. Now again we see a very good chakra in his hand. In his Mercury finger we see a beautiful chakra, a clockwise chakra we see. This kind of clockwise chakra makes person gives good money management. He has a these kind of persons have a quality how to invest money, how to grow the money. They know these kind of all the things. He had a question that should I invest in lottery? Do I have a lottery yoga in my hand? Yes, you absolutely have a lottery yoga in your hand, because this chakra will help you to win the lottery. And see, there are some kind of negative lines I can see this kind of some kind of hurdle, some kind of tensions in his hand. So I would advise to recite some do some meditation in the morning time, or he can recite Om, which is very easy to recite, and in any language you can recite it. Om is Om, you can just recite Om like this. All these negative lines will nullify within 3 to 6 months of recitation. What happens when we have negative lines in our hand? As we can see, there are many negative lines. See, these kind of lines become hurdles in life. They stop the positive lines, the money lines, the positive lines, the winning lines. They stop, because the effect of these negative lines, they overwhelm the positive lines, which delays the results, which gives the result very slow, and sometimes they don't give the positive lines, they don't give the results. So I would advise him to recite Om. It's Om in the morning time, which is very good for him, and all these negative lines will vanish from his hand. They will nullify, the effect of them will nullify, which will give him huge growth in life. Now we can see these kind of lines in his hand, standing lines. These are very beautiful lines. This makes one person very lucky. These lines, you can also say them wish lines. These lines fulfill all the wish the person makes in his life. Now we come to his thumb. Let us see what his thumb is going to tell us. See, this thumb is having a chakra, very beautiful chakra. It's a very beautiful chakra, and the thumb is skin, we can say a little plump type thumb is there. And this is the brain, this is a human brain, this thumb. And when we have a chakra, this chakra helps the whole hand. This gives the power to whole hand. This we can see the thumb is the brain of the human. For the whosoever the person is getting his hand analyzed, this chakra gives whole hand the power, and this thumb is the brain of the person. So what happens when this chakra gets activated? The chakra gets usually activated in 15 years of age. It gives a huge brain level, a very intelligent, you can say the person is intelligent. It gives intelligence to the person and good qualities to the person, so that the person can grow in his life. And the thumb is a very important part of human body, as when we have to sign the documents, we have to pick the pen, we use our thumb. When we have to pick the spoon for eating, we have to use our thumb. It's a very important part. And now we see that in spite of the chakras, there are these hurdle lines, these negative lines, unnecessary tension lines, bothering lines. These lines are making the person the overthinking. This gives overthinking. The person is thinking a lot, he is not happy, he is a little, you can say, sometimes get panic. These things, these gives anxiety also, and unnecessary tension, which the person does not deserve. And this person has a good willpower, you can say. Little work on logic and planning can be done to get a good success. Line of travels we can see, line of desires we can see. And now when we see the thumb is a stable one. These kind of persons has a huge determination power. Whatever they think that I can do, I will win. They have this kind of confidence, which is a very good thing, we can say. Now we come to the left hand. We see what kind of fingerprints, what the fingerprints tell us. Now when we come to the left hand, we see a beautiful chakra here. See, this is a very beautiful chakra we can see in his left hand on Jupiter finger, and in right finger also we saw a chakra. It shows that the person has a very good learning power. These kind of people are good teachers, good mentors. They have a huge knowledge, and they are known for their knowledge after them also. They know, they have a very good teaching style. They guide the people very nicely, and people respect for that. Now we can see again a one beautiful chakra, and on the Saturn finger it is, we can say, on right hand also we saw a very beautiful chakra. So these kind of people never defeat. They don't like to defeat. They are always in a win-win situation. They always like to win. They always make efforts. They never say that no, I am tired, I am not going to make an effort. No, this is not their motto. They are always, yes, hyperactive, and no, yes, I will do, I can do, I will show you that how much caliber I have. See, again negative lines we can see, which makes the person to work more harder. See, there is one ulna loop, we can see some kind of change on earning mode. We can see the person later in life gets name, fame, success. See, now when we move to this finger, we can see a beautiful chakra. It's a clockwise chakra, and let me show you once again. It's a beautiful clockwise chakra. So this chakra we saw in right hand also. There was a chakra on Mercury finger. So this we can say the person has a very good mindset, how to earn the money, how to financially gain myself, how should I manage my finances. This person has a very good monetary sense, I can say. So the person was planning. The person had a question whether should I go for lottery. When will I win on lottery? Yes, he has a very good yoga in his hand, and he will definitely win lotteries in his life. Now we see these are a very lucky lines. These lines, see, it fulfill all the desires in his life. Now we come to the thumb portion. See, there is one more chakra we can see in his thumb. See, the thumb has one more chakra. So when we see, as the age grows, the person grows in his life, and as I told that this whole chakra is giving power to the hands. It might give ups and downs in his life, as it is a anti-clockwise chakra. And now we can see the thumb is a puffy one, and it gives a good amount of money in his life. It gives good opportunities to earn in his life. And there is a yup sign, island sign, we can see in his joint of the thumb, which gives good old age. These kind of persons are born in a reputed family. They get you can say they get traditions, customs. They follow the tradition, customs of the family. Now the again willpower is good. Logic planning, he should work somewhat on his logic planning, so to get more success. Now again I see some lines making hurdles, some giving some negative thoughts. He should do meditation to remove all this, as I previously said. Now we see the thumb is inclined towards the left, is bending towards behind. The person has an adjustable nature. He likes to adjust. He whatever he is getting in his life, if what kind of food, what kind of any kind of clothing, he likes to adjust. He does not have tantrums in his thought process. Then he does not play tantrums in his mind or in between the family. Now we see, when we summarize the whole palm, we summarize the whole the fingerprints, we see we get 4 chakras in left hand, 5 chakras in right hand. This shows the person has a very good hand, the person has a very good capacity, the person has a very good learning power, the person utilizes skills to a great extent, and he likes to, and he has a caliber to achieve much more in his life. And as I see, there is some more opportunity around 60 to come, and some 55 and 56, there is one more opportunity will be coming to earn a very good huge earning in his life. We can see this in his hand. Now now we will go to the mounts. Let me see what his mounts say. Now here we see that the Jupiter mount is suppressed. Some we can say it is not very much puffy. It's some depressed one. So what we see, some kind of loneliness in his life, some kind of lack of guru or lack of teacher in his life. He gets to learn each and everything on his own. And we can see an apex sign, which gives time to time knowledge. He likes to gain knowledge in his life. And there is one ring of Solomon like this. He likes to do some social service also. There is a sign of a fish, a beautiful cute fish we can see, which will be giving him a huge monetary gain in the coming years. Now we can see this mount is somewhat depressed. When the Saturn mount is depressed, some kind of unsatisfaction is seen in life, some kind of unsatisfaction. The person is not happy, or some kind of tension in his mind is going on. See, there is one apex sign which shows that the god is blessing him. Now we see a loop of seriousness. He likes to do each and everything in a very logical manner. He is a hard-working person. He does not like laziness in his life. He is these kind of people think that how much life I have, I should work till then. I will work till the end of my life. These kind of person have this kind of thought process, which is a very good thing. Now we see a sun mount. Sun mount has a very beautiful fish sign. Let me show you. See, it's a this is one sun line, and this is, you see, this kind of fish sign is going in his hand. It's a very lucky sign. It's a very lucky sign on sun mount in his right hand. And we can see a good, see, this kind of line. It's a very good line. This sun line is touching the fate line. It is giving power to the fate line, and this kind of people prosper till they have life. And one thing more I would like to tell, that see, there is a Pur Punya Rekha, the line which shows the past deeds from the past birth. The deeds he is getting, the good deeds, the benefits, the fruits of the good deeds from the past life he is getting for his from his past birth. Now there is a star. There is a star. These kind of star on the Mercury mount, it shows some kind of you can say knowing 2-3 languages, or interest in some kind of artistic things, we can see. And this also gives benefit in lottery also. And see, one more sign I can show you, this loop of humor. These kind of people have a humor, sense of humor. They are jolly natured, we can say. And now one more thing, these are the line of healings. These lines of healing shows that the person is a very good speaker, and sometimes they have a power of motivation also. These are good motivation speakers, not professionally we can say, but they have a good sense of motivation, how to motivate the person in front, they how to encourage the person in front. They have this kind of power. See, good Mars is seen. These kind of persons are happy-go-lucky persons. They like to concentrate on themselves. And the inner Mars, we can see this is a very developed one. So this kind of Mars say that the person has a huge energy level. They like to remain fit, and they like to they don't like to sit idle. Actually, they like to work. They like to work hard, work more to get more results. These they are these kind of people. This Mars also show this, they have a very good inner strength, and they don't like to interfere in other people's matter. They like to live freely. Now we can see the moon mount. This is a very beautiful moon mount, very developed one. This shows the benefits from foreign country also, and some female benefits can also be seen. And now some you can also say that travel to foreign country can also be seen. And now the line of desire is also seen. And we can also say some kind of travelings in coming future, in next 2 years, some kind of travels to foreign country, you can say we can see in his hand. And these kind of persons are very sentimental. They believe at once at the person, and they like to, and they are very kind hearted, soft hearted persons. And you can say that they have a very sweet heart, like a female, like a motherly heart they have. Now we see this kind of bifurcation. These kind of persons, sometimes in their old age, they travel a lot. They like to stay you can say stay away from their birthplace. Sometimes they you can say they are good travelers also. Now we can see a good Venus mount. This Venus mount is a very beautiful one, giving a beautiful luxurious life in his hand. And these are a very good lovers, kind hearted people. They like to they have a feeling, they like good things, like a big house, big car, good branded clothes. They have a very keen interest in this, and they are good shopaholic people. And I would say that they have a feeling, if I get more money in my life, I can support more to my family, I can do good deeds to the people. They have this kind of thinking, this kind of a thought process in their life. Now we come to left hand. Let us see what I find in there. See, when we come to the left hand, we see that again Jupiter mount is slightly depressed. But what happens when we have when we compare both the Jupiters? These are the self-learning people. They have whatever they have achieved in their life, whatever they have loved in their life. It's all self-made, and they don't have any godfather in their life to help them. Each and everything they have today is self-made. Now we come to Saturn mount. Saturn mount is slightly better than the left hand, right hand, and we see again apex sign, which gives the blessings of God. Here also is the apex sign, a good time to time updation in learnings. Now we see the Saturn mount. The Saturn mount shows that he likes to learn lessons from life. He has a good thinking power. He thinks that no, I can achieve whatever I want. This type of good confidence can be seen. Now we come to this loop of hardworking. These are very laborious, hardworking people. They fight for the things. As we see, the inner Mars was very good. See, his inner Mars is very good. He likes to fight for the things. They are good fighters. Now we see a very good fish sign here also. This is a very good fish sign. A beautiful sun line is seen. Early age name fame can be seen. A beautiful sun, a beautiful fish sign is seen, which gives a huge money. Now when we come to sun sign, is a very good sun mount. We can see a Mercury mount is also good. It gives a huge brain power, analytic power, logical power. It's very good. They have a good reasoning power. These all can be seen, and see these standing lines. A good motivational speaker power they have. They are a very good speakers. They give very good guidance to the people who come in contact with them. Now we see a good Mars. Inner Mars is very powerful. These kind of inner Mars, when we saw inner Mars in both the hands, inner Mars is giving much help to him, that I can do much better in life. I will do better in my life. This is giving a huge strength to this person. Now when we see the moon mount, and the fate line is coming from here, female support can be seen. Travels to to different countries can be seen. And now we can also see this fate line coming from here, that the money is coming from some kind of online works, or foreign countries, or benefits from foreign people can also be seen. And some kind of the money coming from far places, far country, far city, we can say, away from the birthplace. The money is coming from there. And now we see the Venus mount is very good. Venus mount we can see. And sometimes it makes a person to travel a lot also, this kind of line. And this Venus mount is highly developed. This gives a person a fond of very fancy things. They like to go to dress up very nicely, look beautiful or handsome. They usually look younger than their age also. Now when we come to this spot, there is a mole or spot, we can say. This spot on the Venus mount gives us some kind of problem with a female. If this spot is in the hand of a male, this gives a problem through a female, some kind of loss by a female. But now it is light, that I feel that this phase must have gone from his life. Now we come to see lifeline. A beautiful lifeline can be seen. Some kind of struggles in early life is seen in his hand. And when we come to this time period, there is some change. From 55 onwards, we can see some change. 55, 56 change, and there is a benefit also. And now we can see some travels also. See, some benefits and travels also can be seen. And one thing I would aware, that he should not believe any person and give his money to on this time period 55 and 56. He should not blindly faith a person and give money to that person. He can also get to face something some kind of, he should be alert, he should can some kind of dumpness can be faced in this time period from any person or friend. Now when we move on to the fate line, there is a beautiful fate line going upwards. See, upwards it is going. And when we come little closer, see, these two lines, they are showing a good income in this time period, and a big expense during around 38 can be seen, 42, 47, 48 can be seen, a huge expense in his life. Now when we come to mind line, again mind line was little pressurized at this time period. See this mind line and see this mind line, and when we come to this, see this mind line. Number 1, number 2 and number 3. As the age is growing, all his problems are getting vanished. He is getting a much peace of life. Now he is standing here around 54 and 55. He will be getting a very peaceful life. And his the problems all he faced in his young age must have vanished. Now when we come to heart line, here the heart line is somewhat zigzag, somewhat chain type, this type. Here. It is having some kind of islands. He should be he should not blindly faith any person. Sometimes what happens when a person whenever he faiths blindly on a person, he gets dished. The person in front does not care about him. So with this, when we come to a conclusion that this person is a very kind hearted person, and he likes to help people, and will be growing in life, and I should say that the coming time period is a very good one, but he should get alerted that this time period of phase, he should not give his money to any person on by having a blind faith. Otherwise he has a very beautiful hand, very lucky hands he have. And when we come to a conclusion, what is both the hands say, that the coming life is very good. He has 9 chakras in his hand, which shows a very beautiful bright future and a very good lifestyle, and a money gain also we can see, a good financial condition also can be seen. So this it seems that this hand belongs to a person who has gained much in life, who has made everything by his own, independent self-made person. So we will ask the God to bless him and vanish all his problems. And so this is the hand analysis of by me. Thank you.